Hey!
Ooh, so the
seatbelt.
seatbelts, like, they pull on you, don't they? That's really cool. Okay, cool. Where's the handbrake? It's fun. It's a big car. Oh my gosh, I can see on the screen it says 7 kilometers an hour. Can you see that, Ash?
No.
It says on the window, it says 5 kilometers an hour, 50.
I
You
can't see it,
on the
no.
camera.
That's
The
cool.
CFM. Okay, that's fun.
It looks very futuristic. I love the size of this console. It is like massive. Can you put YouTube on this? Maybe.
I'm sure you couldn't. That would be distracting.
Nothing in front of me, so you got an all-round sensor system. So I'm just gonna let go of the brake and it's gonna start moving. Look at that, no handbrake. And indicating, yeah. I can see you behind me. Hey, you're really high up.
Yeah.
I can look, but it also has a warning system to let you know if there's a car coming. You can see the speed you're going, the speed limit, you know that it's 50. It is kind of distracting. Yeah, it is distracting, but you
get used to it.
You know, I got pulled over by the cops the other week, and they asked me what the speed limit of the road was. And I said 60, and they told me it's actually 80, mate. So I got in trouble for that.
It's going too slow.
I was going too slow. Yeah, I got
Yeah.
pulled over for going too slow. But if I had this car, I would have known the speed limit. And I would have told him I'm just going slower than you. Whenever there's a cop, you drive slow. Everyone does. Everyone just drives slow just in case. Blind spot assist. So if I try crashing into him, will it stop me?
No, Ash, don't do that. Please don't. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Mad Max.
So what's he gonna do?
Okay, so he's telling me avoid that guy.
I'm sorry. Can you say that again?
Hang up on her, Ash.
Okay, so I can see right now.
Sorry, but I can't help you with it right now.
Yeah, I know you can't. Just calm it down, yeah? Anyway, so you can see the speed limit is 80 because it's clocked on. It's all the speed signs. I can see there's a car behind me. Big loss of space. Anyway, hey Mercedes. Hey Mercedes.
Say what?
Hey Mercedes.
How can I help?
Take me to Mercedes. The driver of this car is female, so I need to pretend. I think that's how it works. So this row of seats, they're electronic. You can actually bring them down and up by pressing this button. And if you get bored, you can push it back up. There you go. That one goes down like that. It goes back first and then forwards all the way down. And the coolest thing is, if you want to bring it back up, you just press back and they come back.
That is pretty impressive. Gone are the days where you have to slam it.
All right, GLE. Trying to find out how many boot spaces we can get inside this. Now I know how many litres you can fit in there. Unfortunately, I'm not planning to fill it up with water yet. So I got measuring tape and I push my seat all the way forward. I'm getting here just under 2.1 meters. So maybe you might fit 2 meters comfortably. And height wise, that's with all the seats down, by the way. One thing to note, with the additional seats, it seems like they do have a little bit of a lift. Maybe it's adjustable, I'm not sure. And height wise, they have to be just under 800, so I'd say 700 by 2 meters. Something comfortable you can fit in there. Is that maybe an 85-inch TV?
Maybe, yeah.
Don't know.
Prepare to keep right and then take the second exit at the roundabout.
Okay, so I reckon we could take out that Jeep. You think you're a big man, you're not. You're just a little man. I'm driving a GLE. Oh, there's another one.
Oh, is that
What's
GLE?
Is that? No, that's a fancy one. What's that?
It's a GLC.
That's
No, it's
GLE.
GLE.
Hey!
That's
In
nice.
300 meters, keep
Like
right
special.
and continue.
That one looks
for
nice, by the way.
90, then take
good.
the second
It was nice. It was a really nice elevated platform. You can see a lot of things. It's comfortable to drive. I didn't have the issues of kicking it, like, you know, pressing it hard when you go around the roundabouts, but Ash did, so that was interesting. But generally, it's a nice car. It looks like a truck. It's really beefy.
Look at this guy. Oh, hey!